Expand your ring of security by adding extra motion detection to Ring smart lights, doorbells, or cameras when paired with the Ring Bridge. Add this to any Ring smart lighting starter kit with Ring Bridge so you can get notifications from the Ring app. With the Echo, 4th Gen, Echo Show 10, 3rd Gen, or Ring Bridge, you can connect this light with other Ring smart lights, Ring doorbells or cameras, and select Alexa-enabled devices to create a fully connected home security system. Installs in minutes with a wire-free design and included toolkit to know when someone steps on your property. Ring Bridge required. Top reviews from the United States. Works better than expected. I purchased this to work in conjunction with a battery-powered Ring solar floodlight, both of which are mounted to trees halfway down my driveway. I was worried that the sensor would not be able to serve my needs due to the distance of its placement from the bridge and also its being powered by only 3 AAA batteries. After more than a month of daily heavy use with all settings on the most power-demanding option, I can report that the batteries rechargeables are reading 54%, the connection strength to the Ring Bridge is fair, and that the floodlight activates very quickly after motion is detected. Additionally, the sensor detects motion of the type and distance that I would expect without giving me too many unnecessary alerts. Vehicles and people are detected at approximately 15 yards, but it is not triggered by leaves falling, etc. This product is highly recommended and may resolve any detection issues you may be having with another Ring product. I have included a screenshot from the satellite view of my property, which is in a rural and heavily wooded area. The O denotes the location of the bridge, with each X being the floodlight and sensor, the latter of which is farthest from the bridge.